everyone, welcome back. I'm Chanchal from Financiers and let's get to work. Today we are going to talk about ETF, the first investment option that I'm going to discuss with you. What are ETFs? What is the difference between a mutual fund and ETF, and why it makes sense to look at ETFs? So let's get back to history. Traditionally, all of us have been stock investors, right? Because there is so much familiarity with a particular stock. We know the brand, we get those tips from our friends, from our family, and it's easy to associate to a company and it's easy to buy a stock, right? But stock investing needs much more discipline than that. You need to regularly track the company. You need to see if there are corporate governance issues in the company. If it makes sense to buy that stock at this particular valuation, you need to see who's selling that stock, who's buying that stock, and a lot more. Also, you need to be disciplined enough to cut your losses and take profit at a particular situation. Typically, as investors, we have three biases that we associate ourselves with whenever we are doing stock investing. Familiarity, first bias. Netflix hai, I watch Netflix practically every day. This stock has to go up in the next 10 years. I'm betting my money on that. I don't care on valuation. Social. Apple का phone क्या? मेरे पास Apple का stock है. Social reputation, right? Holding a stock gives you that higher social reputation. Emotional. My stock is just 40% down, but this is the stock that has made me a lot of money. I cannot sell it. Maybe I'll just wait for this to recover. If you face any of these biases, think again. Are you a long-term investor? Yes. Do you have the time to research on stock markets? Maybe no. Do you want to build a diversified portfolio? Yes. Then ETF is your solution. ETFs are nothing but exchange traded products. So historically, all of us have been used to investing a little bit on mutual funds. So we know this concept, right? So like mutual fund, ETF is also a trading vehicle. It's a pooling vehicle where it would pool everybody's money and then invest into the theme or the idea that they are sponsoring. So I'll quickly discuss a couple of pointers around ETFs which will give us an idea on why ETF really makes a lot of sense, and specifically in US. Do you know there are 3,000 different ETFs available in US? I'm bullish on semiconductor, but I don't know which stock to buy. Leave it, you have an ETF. I'm done with semiconductor. I think the valuation story is gone. Leave it, you have an ETF where you can short a semiconductor. I like artificial intelligence, that's going to be the thing. Of course, you have an ETF of all the companies that is doing work on artificial intelligence. Nasdaq is my thing, but I don't know if I should buy Apple or maybe Facebook, Meta, Tesla, I don't know. Just buy an ETF. You have an ETF which gives you an exposure to the entire gang of Nasdaq stocks. Everything and anything under the sun that you can think of is available on the ETF platform. AI I spoke about, you have something like a pet care, you have an ETF on uranium, nuclear power, we are talking all about energy. ESG, if you belong to that gang, you have an ETF on ESG. So that's number one benefit, you can invest into a whole lot of themes. Second benefit, and I'm sure you're going to relate to me. The markets are crashing, it's 9:30, oh it's 10 o'clock, the markets are crashing, I need to buy something right now, but I'm so sure in the second hour, markets are going to recover. Should I buy a mutual fund? No, because they'll give me the day and NAV, and in the whole day process, I'll miss out on my timing. Well, you can just buy an ETF because they let you buy it in real time. So between 9:15 a.m. in the morning to 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon, you can sit and buy ETF just with your login credentials on your trading platform, right? So it's real time vis-a-vis a mutual fund. And do you know, because of this, ETFs now have taken over mutual fund in terms of the market size, right? So ETF is a very, very, very big market, and I seriously suggest everyone to look at the ETF options that are available. But worry not, I'm there, and in my next videos, we are going to discuss about whole lot of ETF options that you can consider. So if you want to stay updated, subscribe to our channel and also visit our site www.easternfin.com and start your global investing today itself. Stay tuned and we talk a lot more about this. Thank you.